So welcome back, guys. This is part 2 for this build that we shot for our friend. Well, we didn't really shoot it. We asked him, to put it on the channel, and he did not record much, but you guys seen in the last video, it was burnt. The engine, right? The engine.
Yep, all burnt, and then there was a hole in the block.
Yeah, and if you guys haven't seen part 1, go check it out. But here it is, all done in its glory, and we're gonna go take it for a spin and see how it runs. And yeah, that's about it. Let's get into this video.
You bent the hood?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Close the freaking garage on it, dude.
Oh, really?
Oh, dang.
That's so
Touch
pissed.
it up. This just don't. Yeah, no, hit it. Yeah, and then push it down. So it'll just crack the chain.
Finally finished it.
Oh, you have the thing wired. Is it wired up? Is it showing or not? Such a short shift.
Sounds like a freaking Civic, dude. It literally does, dude. It freaking pisses me off.
Well, I mean, but that's people expensive. This is expensive stuff.
Yeah, Invidia, everything. Sounds pretty good though.
And where are you gonna go?
I'll go over there and then I'll drive.
Okay.
Like, I just have to do it and walk out. I know.
Well, it's officially done, huh?
Yep.
There you go. And that's
Just a few
it.
minor things on the body.
Well, new engine. Put in. That's it. It was just the engine, right? You didn't paint anything. Okay. No, dude. That was sick.
Dude, shows the freaking.
Now we're cooking meat.